Hello, my name is Zahra and I'm a researcher at University of Manitoba. I would like to talk to you about the work of Dr. Elizabeth Eisenhauer. She is the 2021 Canada Gairdner Wightman Award winner for her research and leadership in setting standards for clinically testing cancer treatments. Cancer is a disease where cells lose their ability to stop growing and dividing. Consequently, this leads to masses of cells, which are often called tumors. In medicine, there are two major types of cancers: solid tumors in organs like brain cancer, and liquid forms like leukemias found in blood and lymph. Cancer is a very common disease. In fact, 1 in 2 Canadians will develop cancer in their lifetime and will need anti-cancer treatments. These treatments have undergone extensive testing so that they can be effective, but many also have unwanted side effects. Many scientists study how treatments work on cancer cells in controlled laboratory testing. We tend to call them basic research scientists. However, there are also scientists who take these lab discoveries and assess them on the cancer patients themselves. We tend to call these clinical scientists. Dr. Elizabeth Eisenhauer is a clinical scientist and an expert on how to best evaluate methods used to test treatments. This might include just having great guidelines on which drug candidates are good for testing, as well as strategies and rules on how to test and when to stop testing a drug. For instance, Eisenhower recognized that not everything needs to be new to be better. With this insight, she has developed new standards of cancer treatment in Canada and around the world. This has benefited millions of patients. As a leader, she has brought together all sorts of scientists, different scientists together, basic and clinical, and also connected these researchers to policymakers. This team building helps make better science and better laws that can make these treatments more efficient and safer for cancer patients. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to check out the comics and articles for the other award winners too. Bye for now.